Okay, so I got your email, and I'm like, why are you doing a ref URL when instead you should be doing the bot? Because here's the bot, and now you have our hairstylist. That's not that's not done. Didn't I'm getting concerned that we're not on the same page, and that there's no way that a bot maker or someone that does bots would let this sit. So let's go to the welcome. Okay. Oh, good. Awesome. Got that. So let's look and see. Yeah. Okay. Learn more. Contact us. Okay. That looks good. Yeah. Okay. So you got. So I guess it's just that one thing that needs to be cleaned up. The rest of does the rest of it look like it's all good? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So it looks like it's good. So if you could just clean up I mean, go through it, make sure there's nothing about hairstylists or whatever. Um, make sure it's all good, and and then just confirm that you went through the whole bot, and that everything is fine, and we're good. Thank you.